Welcome to the Agentic Process Automation Training Camp. I am so excited to kick off this journey with you as we explore how to integrate AI capabilities into your automation technology stack. Now, I want to start by sharing a little bit of what you can expect over the coming weeks. This is a 4-week journey into Agentic Process Automation, where you'll receive weekly game plans with focus themes and materials. Each week includes discussion guides and team exercises that have been designed to help you apply what you're learning directly to your organization's challenges and opportunities. Now, what makes this training camp so special is its community-driven approach. This is a global learning cohort. You'll be learning alongside peers who are facing similar challenges, and you'll have opportunities to share insights and learn from each other's shared experiences. By the end of this 4 weeks, you'll have a strong foundation to transform your automation capabilities and lead your organization into the era of AI-powered agentic automation. This first week is focused on technical assessment and readiness, understanding where your technology environment currently stands and what you'll need in order to implement APA solutions effectively. We'll be exploring the technical foundations that make AI-driven automation possible. The idea here is that we're setting you up on week 1 with the foundations that you'll need to be successful not only for the rest of this learning trail, but also as you start to design, develop, and deliver agentic solutions across your organizations. We'll start with an overview and definition of some key terminology that we'll be using throughout the learning trail. And then we'll jump into our APA Enablement Framework before talking about different types of problems that you can solve with agentic process automation. The phrasing of that may have sounded a little bit weird, but you're going to have a new appreciation for our different types of problems as you get into our training. We round out week 1 with an overview of implementing human-in-the-loop design patterns, something that will be incredibly important as you start to move your first agentic solutions into a true production environment. Now, some of you may have joined our training camps before. If so, welcome back. Some of you may not. So I want to share some advice on how to get the most out of this training camp. First and foremost, go through this as a team. This is designed to be taken as a team. We've created 2 learning tracks, one for automation leaders and one for developers, but they share a single goal of building a successful APA program. The different perspectives are invaluable. You're learning the same things, but from a different perspective. So make sure the other developers on your team and your automation program leaders are plugged in to go through this with you. Next, make sure you complete all of the week's required training. We've designed it to take just about 2 hours per week, making it very manageable alongside your regular responsibilities. For developers, week 4 is a bit of an exception since we're going to be doing 2 full builds, but we're going to cross that bridge when we come to it. Plan to meet together as a team to discuss what you're learning. Schedule it now, set it up, make sure everyone has a date. In your game plan, you're going to find a discussion guide and a team activity specifically designed to facilitate these conversations. These will be crucial to making sure that everyone is on the same page and everyone's perspectives are being recognized. Finally, engage with our Automation Anywhere community. Share your reflections, ask questions, learn from the experiences of others. As part of this training camp, but also outside of training camp, our community and our forums are a great place to learn from the collective wisdom of our user community. It's for sure one of our most valuable community resources. Remember, we're here to help you succeed. So if you have questions or encounter some challenges, visit our community forums and specifically look for our APA Training Camp forum, where you can ask questions and get support from both our team, but also fellow participants. Connect with other participants who may be facing similar challenges or have insights to share. The way that you can learn from each other, both inside and outside of your own industry, is incredibly valuable. So don't hesitate to share your successes, your challenges, and this transparency will help all of us learn better. You can also follow the conversation on social media using the hashtag APA Training Camp. We'd love to have you share your biggest takeaways, your biggest aha moments. Let us know what you're learning, what you like. This is, again, another great way to connect with others in our learning community. I can't say this enough, but I am genuinely excited about the transformation journey that we're all embarking on together. The work that you do over the next few weeks will lay the groundwork for bringing AI powered agentic automation into your organization successfully and at scale. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you'll accomplish. Enjoy the week one content. We're very proud of it, and I can't wait to get your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.